My daddy was a bank robber, but he never hurt nobody. He just loved to be that way, and he loved to steal your money. Right, I've got to wear these masks today, folks. I don't even know if this is on the right way. Let's see. Have I got it on the right way round? I don't know. Is that the way it's supposed to be? I think is this the way? Oh goodness knows, my glasses are here. Oh, it's horrible. I think this is the way it's supposed to be. This way round here. All right. Okay. I think it is. Oh, is it supposed to be with the stitching out or in? Who knows? God, there's so many ways. Let's try it this way. No, that doesn't feel right that way. No, that feels horrible that way. I don't know. Maybe is that the way it's supposed to be? It looks okay that way, I think, doesn't it? Yeah, it feels better this way. I think that's the way it's supposed to be. Right. Okay. So let's go and see how many banks we can rob today. Right. Oh man, it's horrible. God. Right, I better get a way of wearing this so it's stitching on the inside and pointy bit up. So I feel like Batman. Now there must be a cool way to wear this when you're not wearing it, sort of thing. You know what I mean? There must be a way that you can sort of maybe put it on your wrist or something. There must be a way to do it. Because I saw a guy with that on his elbow bit. But maybe if you can wear it as a sort of like as a wristband kind of thing, just to, you know, because you're not going to wear it all the time. So if I just maybe make it into a wristband kind of shape and just leave it like that, it's kind of looks all right, doesn't it? Get it cool, man. Oh, what's this on the floor? What's this? Oh, that's the guide for the mask. How to wear the mask. Machine washable, comfy stretch fit. Ensure your hands are clean using soap and water or hand sanitizer before and after touching the mask. Wash mask after every use. Crikey. Mask can be reused after it has been machine washed at 60 degrees. Keep away from fire. One size fits most. One mask per pack. 80% polyester, 20% spandex. All right, man, we're talking rock and roll spandex, heavy metal. Right, folks, here we go. We're off on an adventure. I don't know where we're going, but can you see my mask? Can you see it? No, you can't, because I've got it hidden. And here it is. Straight into superhero mode. How's that? Awesome, eh? Right, folks, about to drive down one of my favourite roads of all time, the A928, or is it the B928? I can never remember. I think it's the B928. Goes sort of between the Forfar Road and Glams. It's a great road to drive. It's got a great, you can freewheel for about 1.5 miles. If you give it a bit of welly, and off you go all the way down, and then around the corner. Hopefully you'll be able to make it. So, and then you've got a nice kind of little curved bit, and it's just a lovely road to drive. It's only a couple of miles, three or 4 miles long, but it's just such a lovely road to drive. So there it is, and off we go. Recognise where I am here. I'm at Glams, the secret little location that has a dam and a reservoir, and hopefully we'll get to see the heron and the deer today, hopefully. So that's why I'm being a bit quiet. So let's see what we can see today at the nature of the natural area here, the secret little bit. this was a good start, folks. That I slipped. I slipped. Fucking made a noise. That I slipped as well. Honestly, what a twit. Right, folks, I've already seen the heron. I think I disturbed it though. It flew away. Oh, what was that noise? Listen, it sounded like sort of a high-pitched whistling noise. I've heard that one before. Yeah, there's a couple of motorbike dudes there as well. When I stopped, so it's them starting off now, so that'll disturb. Whatever it is, that was good. I've seen the heron straight away. Right. Right, folks, there's loads of weird noises of this high-pitched shriek. It's like a buzzard almost, but I don't know. And then there was a noise like a cow. Wow, lots of strange noises. Right. I think this is, oh, there is again, that high-pitched noise. Don't know what that is, man. It's like is it a deer? Don't know. I can hear a strange, it's like somebody banging. Oh, don't tell me there's somebody here doing some work, is there? Oh no, surely not. Right, it's lovely and green and lush. Everything's wet, it's brilliant. There's something very close down here, look. With all these strange noises I'm hearing, I think it's just birds basically just warning each other that I'm here, because when I went up to the bush there was definitely something in there chirping away, and as soon as I got up close it stopped. Oh geez, look at this real muddy squidgy bit here. We've got to get over. Right, oh, we're over. Okay, and onward. Now what we're heading for here, folks, is the what I call the secret waterfall. It's not really a secret, but it's hidden. Definitely is hidden around the back of this reservoir here. Now we've got good memories of this reservoir here, especially Rosie and Bro, because Bro's on the rope swing here, and he wasn't sure if this is going on. He was sort of tittering on the wall, and Rosie just went, "Oh, just go for it," and pushed him, and off he went, swinging out. Now then, do I go down? Oh, I heard a buzzard there. Now, do I go down or along here? I can't remember. I think it's down I go here. It's down, is it? Or is it along? I don't think I've ever been that way along there. Right, we'll carry on along here for a bit, see what's along here. Right, folks, I've ended up on this, on the road here. Which road is it? Oh, is it the 928? Not sure where I am, folks. Wow, beautiful. On this path here, folks. I've been down this one before. I think I'll just take us down to the bridge, hopefully. Oh, maybe not. Different bridge here, folks, look. Yes, look at this. This is a new one. I've been on this one before. Excellent. Right, folks, so I've never been across this one, this bridge before. So we'll see. It seems to take us, seems to want to go that way along there, but I don't really want to go that way. It's a bit bouncy, this one. Wow, what a beautiful little spot, man. Yeah. Crazy beautiful. Yeah, wonderful. Oh, it's cliff face here. Look at this. Wow. Look at that. Right, we'll walk along there a little bit and see where that goes. Okay, look at this tree here, man. That's been here a while, isn't it? Look. The moss. Goodness me. Wow. Well, we're just going to stop here because this is where it seems to end, just about here. Right, folks, I'm just going to kind of stop there because it seems to end just there's a funny sort of bit where, oh, it's getting really boggy as well. So I better not risk getting sunk. It's like something's been along here recently anyway. There's been a bike or a trailer or something's been along here, an animal or something. So we'll just head back up and continue on our original direction. Notice I'm getting a bit more clumsy in my old age, folks. Stumbling around and honestly. Poles here with the numbers on it. Just saw a fish there or something. Or his bro would say, "It's a fox! It's a fox! It's a fox!" Yeah, it was like some sort of just a sort of like a needle-like fish thing. Here's the normal bridge that we go across. Folks, this is the side you normally find the deer on, and I just seen back there, it's a big hay bale, obviously for the deer to feed on, so we're just going to be quiet and try and see if we can find one, because they normally just stand in the middle of the pathway just looking at you, so we'll see if we can find one. I know, folks, just heard some voices, so I don't know whether it's the forestry people or whether somebody just out for a stroll. Damn. So we head down there, folks. Right, the situation on the voices is I think they've gone, or they're away on the other side, sort of over that way. I don't know whether it's, as I said, forestry workers or just people out for a stroll. But it's like the woods, the whole area is talking to me here. All you hear is, oi, psst, psst, psst. All these strange noises, all these natural noises. Right, here we are, down at the reservoir. Here we go. I've seen it quite so high for a while, that's for sure. And I like how they put oh, there's the heron, folks. Right, multi-trepidatione there, folks. I saw the heron. I obviously scared it away there, clumping around down here, but yeah, it flew, glided across. Now, I don't think I've ever seen this reservoir up quite so high, because you can normally see that island out there, but yeah, it's really high today for some reason. Well, obviously, we've had a lot of rain recently. Just wait and see. Right, it sounds like there's lots of water down here, man. freaky. Gee, no. What was a body? God. Yeah, what a freak out there, folks. Honestly, I thought, no, it can't be. I thought it was a body or something, but it's actually just a doll, just lying face down there. That's a bit freaky, man. Somebody's obviously thrown that in, and oh wow, well, that's horrible, isn't it? And we have a pot noodle container as well, folks. There we go. Now coming down here. Somebody's built a nice camping spot here, I guess. Right, folks, well, I was going to go back the way I came, but I thought I can maybe go back this way and onto the road and back up and along again. That would save me a few minutes, and I've never been down this way before, so we shall carry on. There's obviously been a van or something come down here because there's fresh tyre marks here, but we'll carry on. There's another sort of camping spot down here, look. Someone's made a fire. Oh, look at this old tree here, man, look. There's an old shed or something, man. This looks like something out of The Evil Dead. Notice that. A bit freaky. It's an old depthometer. There must be an old dam here or something. Look, yeah, look. Would have been an old dam down this end, look. There's some floodlights for some reason. That's a bit freaky. Sort of house thing. I don't know what it is. Oh, I'm not going to go in there. Right, so almost back on the road. Charleston's over there, Glam's over there. This river actually runs into Glams. So, and I don't know where this bit leads. It must just sort of end up in where does it end up? In Glams? I think it'll probably end up in Glams. Yeah, right, there's the road up there. Right, hang on, I better turn around, I think. Hang on. I've just seen some of the flashing lights up there. Oh no. Look. Oh no. It's coming to get me. Well, just up behind me there, folks, I don't know if you saw that there. There was a sort of a tractor thing. I remember I said there was fresh tyre marks. It was like a tractor with lights flashing, so I don't know what's going on. So I'm going to have to go all the way back there. I thought I could maybe nipped around onto the road there, but oh well, we'll just head back anyway. Okay, well, it's gone, folks, it's gone. So I have to go up onto the road here now. This could be quite hazardous because it's a bit of a busy road, this one here, so they come flying around the corner, so I'm gonna have to be pretty careful. I don't know if there's a pavement or a path or anything, but we'll take it easy anyway. Look at these trees here, man, look. Goodness me, look at them. Crikey. They're old. Goodness me. An old den or something, look. Well, it actually comes out up here. Right. Oh, bro, look. Bro. Hey. There's a massive bull. Jeez, look at the size of that thing. Psst. Hello. Hey, bull. Look at that. Smile for bro, please. Thank you. It's bro's biggest fear. Our bull. There we go then. Now, I wouldn't recommend doing this to anybody. This is very dangerous what I'm doing here, folks, so please don't do this. I'm just doing this because I'm an expert and I've walked along so many embankments and bits of fast road. I know what I'm doing, kind of thing. So please, folks, if you are walking along, take extra care, please. Don't, in fact, just don't do this. Just go back the way you came. Don't do this. This is really stupid and really dangerous. So please don't do this, folks. If you're a child, especially if you're a child, do not walk on busy roads. Thank you. Right, folks, I've come off the road. Come down there. I'm at the back of the dam now, so hopefully I might get a little glimpse of the heron if we're lucky. Every time I come to Glams, I always go into the little shop over here, the corner shop it's called. There it is, the corner shop at Glams, and I always buy something. It's the first shop I've been into with the mask on. I had to wear my mask, and just bought a bottle of Diet Coke. But I always go into the corner shop there at Glams. Don't know why, it's just always been a tradition. Always get a Mars bar or something to eat or what have you. So yeah, today I went in and bought a bottle of Diet Coke. So the corner shop at Glams, folks. If you're ever in Glams, just pop in. They do actually good filled rolls, not too bad. I think they've got a post box outside without an ER on it. It's got, I think it's a GR, that one. But I think they've got a post office. Yeah, they do loads in there, man. Post office, they've got a lottery, ice creams, lots of stuff, books, newspapers, Diet Coke, lots of stuff in there, mate. So the corner shop in Glams. Thank you. Right, folks, I've had to stop just right here where I did the this is my favourite road bit earlier on today, because I keep thinking there's something following me. Look, it's that thing there that I put on to do the time lapse for the film earlier on. So I'll need to go and remove that. It's just every time I look in the mirror, it's like somebody following me. It's like a motorbike following me. So, and may I take this opportunity, folks, to say thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, why not subscribe? Why not? There's loads of good stuff to see. Go back. Somebody's been watching all my videos from yonks ago, from my very first video. The very first video I did, I think it was called Dead Body or something. And it's just me lying there, and then I suddenly go whoa to the camera. Honestly, folks. Long time ago. So that was my first video. So somebody's working their way all the way through my video. So if you are doing that, thank you very much indeed. Marvellous. Give me a like, subscribe, hello, and all that kind of stuff. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I'll see you in tomorrow's adventure, folks. Thank you. Goodbye. Farewell. So long. Au revoir, mon amigos. My folks have found a new way to wear my mask. Can you see my mask? Can you see it? I bet you can't, because I've hidden it. It's up here, look. Oh, damn it. If my glasses weren't there, would have worked perfectly. Hang on, we'll try that again, hang on. So you can't really see anything that way though, can you?